Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off emergency SOS in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for this function and how to turn it off. We need to go to Settings, then we need to scroll all the way down to Safety and Emergency, and here you have our emergency SOS. To turn it off, we simply tap this button and now it's off. But what does it do? As you can see, press the side key 5 times to start the actions below. We can make a few changes. Here we can change countdown, we can add emergency numbers, our emergency numbers, or any custom number, family member, etc. But now it's turned off. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.